Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now you need to type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it. Tap on this theme, name it, and click OK Creative. Then close the nut and customize your edges however you want to. You can change run style, for example add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper or change your wallpaper, you can pick one of these sources like photos. Select a photo by clicking on the chosen one, adjust it and clicking at the top right corner. Then choose Create and tap on the theme that you created. So I have to click over here and tap on Enable Wallpaper. Then tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use your apps, you can always go back into the Edges app, choose Home over here, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Tap on Yes, click on the switcher over here and go back. Now you have to tap on the same switcher one more time, and as you can see, now I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!